In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. So we're going to start off from our Phantom Wallet app, and in here, we're going to click on the asset that we want to send, or we're just going to click on send from the home tab. So let's go ahead and do that. Select the token that you want to send, and I'm going to send USD coin on the Polygon network. So click on this, and now I need to fill in the address in here. And to get this address, we're going to Coinbase now. And from our Coinbase app, we're going to click on transfer. And from here, we're going to click on receive crypto. So click on this. Now it will load. And now we need to select the asset to receive, and that is USDC. And now we need to select the network that we are receiving it on. And here it's really important that you select the same network as you select on your Phantom wallet, because if you do not do this, your crypto might get lost. So I'm going to select Polygon, and then I will see my wallet address in here. So let's click on got it. Click on this section in here to copy it to the clipboard, and now we can return to Phantom to paste this in. So paste in the wallet address in here. So let's go ahead and click on paste, and now we can click on next, and now we can enter the amount that we want to transfer. So I have 3.5, so let's say that we want to transfer everything. So let's go ahead and click on max. Now we're going to click on next, and now we will see what the fee will be, and we can see where we are sending it to. So right now I'm going to click on send. So as you can see, our crypto is right now sent, and now I'm going to Coinbase to see if it's already there. So I can see the pending transaction in here in my overview on Coinbase, so now I will know that this transfer is coming into my account. And please note that this can take some minutes or maybe some hours in order to receive. So that is it for the video. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, then I will see you in the next one.